There it is, the Leatherman Wave Plus. Fancy, huh? I'm gonna walk you through some of the features and tools of it in no particular order. Starting with this handy dandy can opener. Here's our victim. We're gonna open this can, stick this little hook underneath this, like a can opener do. You pivot it. You get the point. Let's give these replaceable wire cutters a run, huh? Let's start with the hard wire cutters, which are indicated by this arrow on either side of the plier head. We're going to cut this framing nail. Wow. Look at that. They're still rocking the house, baby. Now we got our saw, and I've left it unlocked so you guys can hear how securely this bad boy locks into place. Almost there. Oh yeah. It sounds way cooler if you do it fast. Pow. Nifty.
So I got a stick, you know, like off the tree. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this stick, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're not gonna do that close. You guys are tailgates on? I don't care. Look at that. Oh, this is super awkward, but bear with me, because it's cutting a wooden stick.
You get it. It cuts the wood. So we're gonna cut up some rope, some nylon rope, with the serrated edge knife. Let's give this a whirl. Yeah, look at that. Look how clean of a cut this makes. And now we're gonna use this file that you also heard lock.
We're gonna do something with this nail. It's gonna take a minute because it's a nail, but... If that's not good enough for you, we're gonna file the end of it down a little bit, huh? Oh, what a terrible, terrible sound. Oh, I'm sorry for anyone listening. Yeah! Dig in. Look at that. Yeah, that didn't feel good. Yeah, we're gonna keep cutting this nail apart. Look at that. Would you just look at
it? Okay, that's probably enough of that, you think? We're gonna close this on up, and we're gonna separate this nail from the rest of the nail. Woo!
Alright, so now we have this screw.
Then we're gonna use, there it is, this screw-on driver for, also a screwdriver.
What? Is that a screw? Oh.
You see, I left it like this, because some people, like Leatherman's website, uses this like this, and I don't know about you, but I don't like my screwdrivers to be offset. So what I do is I just pull this, the plier head, into the opposite side, and it kind of makes a nice little line.
Here we go, with the screw. Oh, look. It's really working. Because it's a real screwdriver. You can really drive screws with it.
Found some rubber hose around the house. We're going to use this little nifty knife, and we're going to cut it, you know, like a knife should.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm just a weakling. That took a long time. Here, let's try again. Yeah. Oh.
It's a knife. Who would have thought? Spring action scissors, and the spring is really quite nifty. Look, that little bar right there, it pushes up on this handle.
Oh, it'll cut stuff.
It'll cut like nylon rope. No, it won't. I'm a liar. But it'll cut this tube for show. It'll cut whatever you need it to. Got this little flathead screwdriver if you need to drive flathead screws. Or you can use it as a pry bar. Or not. Oh no! Now I look like a fool.
Here we go.
Pry tool / screwdriver. We're gonna try these normal wire cutters out.
Dang it. They're gonna cut just fine. Wow.
On this can opener, there's a wire stripper. It's not gonna accept your money though.
I don't really use this thing 'cause it's not the best.
But what you can do is you can take this 12-3 Romex and you can kind of hack it all up. Boop. Now you can take that and you can use the rounded plier head to make little curls in your wire to go around screws, you know, so you don't have loose connections and burn your house down. Straight up OG plier right here. And we're gonna tighten this carriage bolt up a little bit, huh? So watch. Put it right in there like so. And you can tighten it up. Wow. I'm sure you can fit a bunch of different size nuts in there too.
Yeah. Look at it. It's like a carriage bolt, huh?
Voila. Screw as you already saw. Now we got this fancy dancy electrical crimper. Ah! Get this out of the way, please. There you go. Almost touches. Makes that kind of imprint. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that off and we're going to show you how it works. Crafty little wire strippers. That's how I like to do it because it's a little bit faster. And then we're going to take our mangled up electrical terminal connection. Bang. And then we're going to get it nice and right, like, you know, like an electrical connection. And then we're going to use this wonky electrical crimper.
Oh, I didn't do it in the wrong spot. No.
It's not the best. Definitely works, but it'll get you in a pinch if you need it to. So, there it is. Leatherman Wave Plus. Plus, I'm an idiot because I broke my eyeglass repair screwdriver. You got a ruler if you need to measure something. Ooh. Oh yeah, and just to let you know that the needle nose pliers are still not a joke.
Well, many times down there, huh? Oh. Nope, not gonna grab that one. Let's do far in there. Oh yeah. Let's see this one in the roll. Ah, there she goes.
You got your new features on your Wave Plus. Replaceable wire cutters and hard wire cutters. And your electrical crimper.
Woo!
All locking tools on the outside. And the inside.
Oh, I can do that right there.
Yeah, plus. Foop. Now it's a flathead. Plus it stands up when you drop it down. Ooh, just for an added bonus.